what I would expect is for Bitcoin to retest the 100K level one last time before it really takes off to the upside. Because at this point, guys, with a new all-time closing high, confirmed also because my model likes to see 3 consecutive closes above an all-time high in order to switch the trend back to bullish. We are going to get that today. And so tomorrow, the model is officially going to switch to bullish. It was neutral since late January. So it's a pretty big deal. It's not only that we have this breakout into new all-time highs, we actually have enough follow through to confirm that this is a real breakout. And usually when Bitcoin breaks into a new all-time high, it just keeps going. It keeps going for a few months, which lines up perfectly with the global liquidity charts that tell us to expect a rally into at least August. Now, again, my tiny model has put 2 potential dates for this 4-year cycle top. One is in mid-August, and the other one is in the October-November period. Now, personally, I think it's going to be October, November. The reason for that is Bitcoin always tops out on its 4-year cycle in the October, November period. It can be as late as December. Sometimes it extends into January, although that's pretty rare. In fact, I don't think Bitcoin has ever done that, but the altcoins have. And so we should expect this cycle to behave, at least in terms of timing, it should behave the way it normally does, which means it rallies into Q3, it tops out sometime in Q3 or early Q4, and then the bear market starts from there. But never mind that. That's at least 6 months from now. And so what we have now is a significant breakout. We have enough follow through that my model is confident in saying, well, the trend for Bitcoin is now bullish. It was neutral before. And if you follow my these videos or the written issues, I said so back in January when we sold most of our Bitcoin. I said, well, we switched to neutral. So we're entering this neutral phase now. Well, that officially ended. Actually, that officially ends today with these 3 consecutive closes above this green downtrend line. It is technically a downtrend line, by the way. I know it looks like a horizontal low, but it's not. It actually connects this 80-day cycle top with this 80-day cycle top. And again, that is, we have a breakout of this key trend line. That also happens to be a new all-time high, a new all-time closing high. That's what it was on Monday. Now we're actually having new all-time highs here on Thursday. We set a new all-time high yesterday on Wednesday. So the trend looks to be picking up momentum. And so we got to respect the move. We added risk already. But just so you know, if we do see this pullback back into 100K, I do plan on sending out a manual trade alert so we can add a bit more exposure to this asset and take advantage of what is likely to be the last major rally in this bull market. But that is all I have for you guys and gals this week. I hope you enjoyed this update, and I'll see you all in the next one.